He's an MC that's prolific off of wicked. Alcohol's disease, OG's an addiction that I can't quit, so won't stop. Show me to the dope spot. Let me clear my throat and take my motherfucking coat off. If it was sick, if C, get twisted with me. If you feel like Superman, then hit the weed. Dead man don't talk, but if you feel the need, take a look around. It's T-Dogs and poses. G-Dog a molder, holding the doja. Down the Corona, and I'm still probably the downest in Corona. Dopest in Canoga, illest in the valley. I got more than fish brains, but I'm killing out for Cali. Fuck that Maui Wowie, give me that Tahoe OG, some hash and a brownie. You couldn't get like me, I got nothing but hooks, nothing but good looks. Good kush, great blow, I'm ready to go. You know how the marijuana go, unbelievable. Nothing but looks, look, bless the good book. Oh, nothing but hooks, nothing but good looks. Good kush, great pills, take you anywhere you wanna go. You know how the marijuana go, unbelievable. Nothing but looks, bless the good book. Oh, chicks know I'm trying to hit when I call them at 10 a.m. and they ain't heard from me since when. Bunch of sleazy texts, just let it go. Take a shower, brush my teeth, smoke a bowl, I'm out the door. Scrape it down the Lancashire, looking for a hooker. $40 BJ, she hooking, then I'm booking. Asked the chick was cooking, brought her to a park, no hoe. Snooker, and brought her back from where I took her. Hit the 101, but I ain't flying down the freeway. I'm a stoner skater and an actor known for being late. Last stop, a piece of weed up in Reseda. Some crazy ass OG earwax and Keith then. Ventura to Japan, getting lit. Rolling a mini blunt, bumping Elliott Smith. By the time I get to Oceanside, I'm so high, I just sit in the rocks and think about my life. Santa Monica airline, about to let my plane take flight. Meet me there if you get your head right. If you ever get your change right, we can kick it. We can free fall out the sky for a minute. Santa Monica airline, about to let my plane take flight. Meet me there if you get your head right. If you ever get your change right, we can kick it. We can free fall out the sky for a minute.